loadouts here.
Pickles, dude. Pickles. Pickles.
Yeah, no, I said I'm getting free loadout. You guys grab that one. That way our both of our loadouts are still up.
Somebody grab this.
Guys, right here.
Get it if you need it. Get it. Just grab it.
They're coming up to get their loadout.
Aldo, you gotta come towards us.
They're over here. I can see you. I don't think they've seen me yet.
Locate their uplink stations and download their intel before they lock us out.
We need a UAV so we know if someone's behind us.
We don't have money.
Right here.
Yeah, those are the guys.
Ready? I'm gonna shoot at him. Ready?
No.
Dude, they're just sitting right there. Ready?
Enemy soldier
I'm ready.
incoming.
1, 2, 3. Nope. Point is on the wall.
I'm coming to you.
Get him.
I'm getting looked at from behind.
Requesting fire mission. Target marked.
I'm still getting looked at from behind. What is going on?
Alright, I mortared that one. Let's look behind us. Let's look behind us. No? Let's push. What do you want to do?
On me.
I'm here, but
Yeah, I got one.
You push.
I got
I
the
don't know
other
where
one.
they're at. I don't see anybody.
I know where the other one is. I see the team.
I downed him. There's gonna be a team wipe.
Hold on,
Right here. Team wipe right here.
I'm
gonna team wipe this
Teabag
shit. There you go.
Yes, come here, Pat. Come here, Pat. I
Like
got
this
it.
shit.
Come here. You deserve it.
Bring smoke. There's the team.
Stay there.
Where's this? He went behind the wall. Right here.
Enemy territory.
Oh gosh. I got spotted.
Where is he?
Behind.
Where's the spot?
From port. I'm being sniped at from port.
Mark it.
That's behind this. Hold on. Right over. Oh gosh, this stupid game.
Only 25 left.
Like this direction, green ping. They were sniping.
Yep, I see him behind us. I dropped mortars.
Okay. I'm gonna try to push back to big. Let's go back to big. Oh, to our right up here on the hill. There's a guy on my green ping. He's up here. He's broke.
Luis, they see me pushing.
There's another one over here. And there's one right here.
Pushing me?
They're pushing me. Luis, they see me pushing.
Okay.
They're trying to flash me and shit.
Wait. There's guys right here. I'm getting looked at from every direction.
Yep.
I'm getting lit up.
They gotta come to us. Don't push them.
He's plating. I'm
They're
plating.
moving towards you guys.
They have to. They smoked it. I'm coming up. They're right here.
Aquí hay enemigos.
Motherfucker.
There's still one up top.
What happened?
They're in the gas. Aldo's got them.
No. There's two of them.
Stay alive.
There's two of them right here. Yep.
Shoot them, stay alive, do whatever you can. Get behind some cover.
I'm taking fire.
No.
Me llevan a ver.
2, 1.
Unit man.
On you.
Yep.
You too. He's alive. You alive.
Right here.
Hostile here.
Shit.
Yep. Are you back at least? Lick my anal cavity.
Dude, I'm gonna fight it.
There's two over there. Stay alive.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
I think there might be a third.
Need pistol rounds.
Only got 30 rounds, dude. Stay alive. 10 seconds.
There's one on your right.
Don't tell me what to do. Fuck me right in the dick, dude. You were right.
Don't tell me what to do.
I was too confident.
That's funny, dude. Don't tell me what to do. Oh gosh. Alright, we're going somewhere else. Go like.
Be advised. There's an enemy
No,
squad
I'm just
hunting
gonna
for
do
you.
this. This game is.
Yes.
Marked a most wanted target. Protected.
Aldo got fucked.
Yeah, they were waiting for people on the gas.
Hostile UAV overhead.
Yeah, I would be too. Fuck, dude. Oh, fuck, dude.
We got enough for UAV at least. There's a buy. Where's the buy? Where?
Requesting counter UAV.
Got it. Counter UAV running signal interference.
No more second chances.
Please, you're in the water with me.
Here.
Counter UAV destroyed.
Somebody landed back here
Hostile UAV
by that jet ski on the other side.
Did you finish? No, you didn't. Where though? Where are
Being
they?
hunted and I'm most wanted.
No, they're over here. Go over
I
here.
don't know. Not fighting
Fuck them
anybody.
up.
Just right here.
Target marked.
Solid copy. Force a strike on the way.
Set in mind. Planted mine.
Bajnia, hostiles deployed the counter
Down,
UAV.
down,
No effect on target.
piece of shit.
Gas is moving. Only 10 are left.
They're up on the hill. I hear them. They're up on the building, dude.
You kept your squad mate
They're
protected.
right on top of this
Contract complete.
Do we have is there a buy station here or no?
I just picked up a portable buy.
Pop it, dude. Pop it, pop it, pop it. We have enough.
I will.
Anywhere, anywhere.
Up ahead. The thing is, it just takes forever because it's
There's guys on that roof. Drop me money. Drop me your money. Drop me
it's
your
up
money.
here.
Hostile
I
recon
think it's gonna
deployed.
land on top, dude.
Here.
Here on top.
Guys are here. Guys are here. Dude, it's on top.
I know, that's what I said. Hey, here's a perk package.
I got a munitions box.
You're safe. You lost the enemy tracker.
Ammo here.
Hostile UAV
Calling in
overhead.
counter UAV.
Counter UAV is active.
Hey.
Armor flex here. Got an armor box here.
Dang, roof.
You're in the top
They're on the
5.
roof.
Bring home the win.
A la verga. Unit medical.
Shit, dude.
Taking fire.
Guy on top is down.
Yeah. I'm just moving close. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. I have a lot of life. I have a lot of
I
life.
got a gas mask.
I'm not
Bro,
letting
why
you
can't I
go.
res you?
Take cover.
Almost dead.
Oh my god, thank you.
You're far from the safe zone. Advise you start moving.
I'm gonna die. I'm dead. Dang it.
We gotta get him. We gotta get him.
Sorry.
He's broke. He's broke on yellow.
Oh, there's another one on the roof. There was one on the roof.